This is my best friend Yolanda. She's here to help me move. She's a great friend. Habitat got you guys to help me move. I thank God for Habitat.
I want to thank Two Men in the Truck.
Yes.
You guys have the most beautiful personality, beautiful spirit.
It's almost Thanksgiving. What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for God.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thankful for Habitat of Humanity. And I'm thankful for family and friends, you know?
Yeah.
And of course my job too.
Are you so excited to move to your new place?
Oh girl, I'm ready to go back. You don't even know. I'm ready to.
Don't take them out.
Oh, don't take them out. Don't take them out. Don't take them out. We gotta watch
Get ran
that
over
one.
and in a little funny way.
Congratulations, Renita. I'm so happy for you. I love you. Kalani, you got a great house.
Nene and Kalani, congratulations on your new home.
I am so happy for my best friend Renita. She is definitely a beautiful person with a beautiful personality, and she deserves it because she is a God-given sent person that helps the world if she can. I'm so happy for you, and God bless everyone.
Honor to God, who's the head of all of our life. And I really appreciate my niece. I'm so glad and proud of her and both of my nieces for their first home.
They move pretty fast, so if you need to be moved quick and officially with no lights, hey, you know, this is the holiday. 2 Men in a Truck is your man.